Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and turn off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and now we are in the standard photo mode. So to get access to more advanced settings, we have to click on this button at the left. And as you can see, here we are in the camera settings, and in the capture settings we have the assistive grid. So by tapping on this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. And I'm going to keep turning it on to show you how it looks like. And as you can see, here we have the grid lines, so it generates as these lines, and this is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography, so it helps to improve our photographic skills. And to show you how it works, I'm going to turn it off now. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.